is Jasbir. My current location is Mumbai, Maharashtra. I've been working as a senior manager in the automobile industry for the last 4 to 5 years. Simultaneously, I also worked in e-commerce as a freelancer and with some of my known people in India and foreign countries. But I wasn't a certified, digital marketer. So for us to have a job in this particular field and start my own company, I needed to have that certification. So I have decided to complete this course.
And why you choose Digital Vidya for that?
My siblings, my real sisters, and their multiple friends have completed this course from Digital Vidya for I guess last 4 to 5 years. I've been knowing this name only, and right now they all are working in very good companies with good salaries. And because of their reviews, I have decided to trust Digital Vidya and complete my course.
Oh, great. And after the enrollment, how did you find the reviews relevant?
The courses, the assignments, and the certifications and everything, they were up to the point. And the teachers also we had, the professors we had for the individual courses were, you know, brilliant in teaching. And the support staff was like very very helpful because as you know I've been working in my own company, in a working on my own company and a job as well. So I didn't have sometimes time to attend the lectures or complete the assignments of time, but the support staff, after telling them that I have been working and I cannot manage all the things at once, so they have been helping out throughout the course.